All right, so we drilled the holes and we drilled the holes in sonotubes. Now we're just sticking it in. Show me how easy it is. Keep it coming up. Just run some of that slack right out.
How much you want up?
Yeah, I want to have plenty. Yeah, like that. Exactly. Ready. Done. And we'll just tighten it up to the rebar afterwards. So let's
continue down.
Yeah. Hey guys, for right now, let's just actually, Mike, let's pull this loop right out. I'm actually going to send another piece into the ground here to cap off for later. So let's pull the slack out just so I can see what it looks like going in. Feed that slack in if you don't mind, Mike. And Corey's just literally pulling out the slack all by himself. Okay, that's done. Now we got all the extra slack here. So I'm actually going to cut this off and do something with it later. And that's what it looks like there after you pull out the slack. Done. All right, so let's go to the next one, cut it, and see if we can pull it gently. And see what happens.
So we should probably cut like 10 feet back and re-pull it, right?
Well, yeah, let's go like, cut the top off this base here. Let's get the base opened up with plastic. And I'd say, Mike, let's cut the thing, you know, like right there. Plenty of wire. We have plenty. Take that end, pull it back for. I'll just come back over here. I'll pull the loop up and out for you. See if I can make the asshole a little less.
Yeah.
You know, just easier. Just pull it right out. Guide that in over the here. There you go. And that's done. Installed. Now, these guys are going to try to grab this and pull this from all the way down there with no other coil. Just pull. Yeah. Just nice and steady. And you can barely see the coils moving down there, but they're moving it. Yeah. And you're just going to walk by the coil. Can you see that wire cord? Is it still close?
It's going down a little bit, but...
Sure.
So, it's going to be at L by the time we're done.
Yep.
Right there.
Well, another foot.
And actually, the wire's right here.
All right, good. That's plenty then. Be plenty. Same thing. Pull the slack out. Pull the loop. And we're just going to put the bolt circles in tomorrow and template these things, and this is a wrap. Three minutes, we've already done 2 bases. And it was 3 minutes and 6 seconds to pull the wire the whole length with 3 guys. So, same scenario. I'll step back over here, do the same thing with the loop. Mike cuts it. Sorry if the video's a little shaky here. That's it. It's done. In the trench. All the way. Wires are all pulled. Project is over. I mean, no one's literally manning the coil at the far end. I know it's difficult to see. The coil's just sitting in the back of the dump trailer. It's paying out all on its own. Pulling it right over the top, out of the side of the dump trailer. It's done. You pull extra slack. Send it up through the hole.
Yep.
Yep. Done.
You know what's awesome about it? It's clean.
That took 1.5 minutes to do that one sonotube.
Not coming to PC, not kneeling in the dirt.
Oh yeah, your hands are clean, see? No dirt on my hands. No glue, no gloves. Try to get that water out. Yeah, there you go. That's essentially a back-to-back 90. A 90 here and a 90 coming up beside the base. He's pulling it by himself. Corey worked the loop for him.
Yep. Good.
That was 1 minute and 15. So essentially, I think you guys get the point. It's just continue and repeat. These guys trenched right by the poles and just these little dog legs to them. That way it was simple and easy. And that's the end result as you look down the trench. And you can see it. It's as simple as that. I'll send it to you guys. See ya.